Hello, my fellow Sierra Leoneans. This now na Pikin Basharaka. Today, I dey come watch at factors them way in the make party win election. Factors that may aid or determine the electoral success of a political party in a country. So then factors the way they make political party win election now they can talk about. But una let me take small Bobby water.
The Mac Production.
But not the power we vote for.
Yes, na the power we na vote for, but me the mommy, na me the rule una now.
Enke we know ya. Benjamin, I no gladdy. Uncle Big, na left we bo. We no gladdy. Mr. Swag, we no happy. I say we no gladdy. But some bobo, we no happy. Pape, we no gladdy. Listen. Excuse me, Pape, we want talk to you. We no gladdy. The way things they go right now the country, we no gladdy. But now you we vote for, now you have the rule, we no gladdy. This is free education, we don't tire. We don't tire, we don't tire. I say we don't tire, for the fail, we don't tire. Pop pay, we don't tire. Jade they collect, we don't tire. I say we don't tire, in the fail. I no glad you, I no eat it, not to moko. I no eat it, the one the way we put today, they no fit today. Team play, they just a love game. When we talk, then say na fit, yeah, they one got bad, and they be guy. Papa they say, salon for suffer, team just to go up, no price control.
If I know,
How the pago know? They don't turn butterfly, they puff like fly. The people they cry, they really stressful, they still they ask. In my me and the pa, who don't the preso? I say, who don't the preso?
me na the mommy, na me na the preso. I say, na me na the preso, me na the mommy, na me na the preso.
We say we no know. Excuse me, Pape, we want talk to you. We no gladdy. The way things they go right now the country, we no gladdy. But now you we vote for, now you have the rule, we no gladdy. This is free education, we don't tire. We don't tire, we don't tire. I say we don't tire.
Thank you very much, fellow Sierra Leoneans. Today, we dey watch at factors them way they determine a political party for win election. One of the factors that we dey watch effective organization. A political party need to have a very strong and effective organization structure to enable it stand the test of time and win election. So, political party get forget a strong organization structures where you go able see say that structure then they go able see say they win election. Number 2, effective and efficient leadership. The leader of a political party need to be strong, effective, efficient, of high integrity and probit to enable them to install discipline and attract the fellowship. So, then the leader get for be effective and get for be efficient. You get for ready for work for the people them, and a post will be say for strong for work for the people them for see say and if forget integrity like if forget thing the way they make people see them and get to believing in her. And then thing and they go able attract the people the way they follow the political party and then go able vote for that political party there. Number 3 of them is that good policy and program. The political party must draw up good program and policy that will be attractive and enticing to the electorate so that they can vote for the political party. So some of the policies the one that they come with or the program the one that they come with get for be good way we able attract the voters them for make them vote for a political party. Number 4 thing what they come with na strong financial base. A visible financial source of raising fund like through donation and subscription will give a political party a strong financial base and contribute immense to its electoral success. So if like people then they na the political party where then they contribute, then they donate to the political party, then they go make una get strong base for make una go able win election. That means the political party for get money for run the election. Number 5 is broad-based membership. A political party that is desirous of achieving success must allow its membership to be open to every citizen of the country, irrespective of sex, region, tribe, or place of origin. So if a political party want win election, you get for allow all members them of the country for make them be for make if get for open the forum for where all man able join the political party irrespective of in tribe, in region, any side way they, so that una will get membership all side. Number 6 of na effective propaganda machine. So a political party should possess effective propaganda machines such as newspaper, radio, magazine, etc. So a political party forget people them like where then they will blow which you blow for them. Where like the newspaper, the radio station, the magazine, they forget anything and they wouldn't they for put for for blow issue for them and for put them propaganda things there so that they go able to convince the voter them for make them vote for the party. Number 7, education of the electorate. The political party should to a great extent educate the electorate through rally and the seminars. So through the rally, the owner the rally and seminars, the owner the whole they educate the electorate the way they know why them for Futuna and why una for come and they would they know what thing good for them. So number 8, establishment of other institution. Establishment of institution like youth, women win, or workers win will also play significant role in the electorate success of a political party. So like if una get like that woman win, then workers win, and youth win, then they go able help for make una able for win election like the market woman win, then they go able help. Effective campaign in form of rally, canvas, seminar, lecture should be carried out by a political party that want to achieve electoral success. So like any political party want to achieve electoral success, if you get like canvas, the rally and whole seminar with people there and lecture them concerning why them for Putuna and then they go web. Enforcement of party discipline. All members of the political party, without any exception, should be made to obey all rules and regulation of the party and its directives. So everybody in the party for obey the law and everybody irrespective of who they be for obey the rule and regulation of the party and the directive of the party. Propaganda as a party patronage. This patronage that take the form of awarding of contract, appointment to key officers. For example, such go to influential individual in order to attract their full support. So like if una want contract, una want for G like appointment, una dey give influential people the way una know see people society they listen to. So then people then they now we una go able to attract them people then they way then they listen to them for make them support una party. Number 12, impartial electoral commissioner. An impartial electoral commissioner that is in no way partisan will ensure free and fair election, which will give victory to a political party that merits it. So, impartial electoral commissioner will able to give victory to a political party where it be say it merits the election. So thanks you very much. This now na Peking Basharaka. I just take this few things here as a wakamuta to me fellow Sierra Leoneans them for make we all land.
Most definitely. Sierra Leoneans.
Sierra Leone, where we going to?
Aye, Angel Black.
Skunko Daddy, Melon.
Where are we heading to?
And this the question, where the Sierra Leone people them way really I don't know. The way we come to the move, believe it, I'm too slow. The big one another. Why we can't be slow? Sierra Leone, where we heading to? I say, but we can't be slow. Sierra Leone, we say we all they go. We the feel pain number. We the feel pain number. We the feel pain number. Everything they go, they make all the members so wet. But this one is alone at the new direction, just they go so. It's a like semi-country salon for living a peaceful love. You for this light, me for this light, we for this light, oh. If not Sierra Leone, tribalism or they cancel. You be mandating the limba so full and we come to one and make me sweet Switzerland. That's the question, where the Sierra Leone people them way really I don't know. The way we come to the move, believe it, I'm too slow. The big one another. Why we can't be slow? Sierra Leone, where we heading to?
Tire, for the fail, we don't tire. What pay, we don't tire. Jade they collect, we don't tire. I say we don't tire. In there they fail. Why you not prove we be feel say you na leader na 3 years this way you take power. Everybody na the country just the grumble. The free education power we no want am. Failure the boku too much na the country. The free medical I say in no day. You see you no get money you go die. EDSA light now at this go where you pass government we dey give you big time. Partner for take time. We no glady. You know go say we no want you. But anyway pa I say we no eat it. Bro, really confused. When I need for tell we where we for listen to. The pie himself they give for national anthem. In West Back they give national anthem. Even chief minister they give national anthem. So like they all na president there. We really confused. So when we talk now, them begin between like butter. One respect them people not get for we. They say na soldier team. Soldier government, we the citizens and the treat we like say we don't know today pa. But una sango come up on our next. Look inside.
Sierra Leone, we say we all they go. We the feel pain number. We the feel pain number. We the feel pain number.
Side, box side, them on a goal. But it's the Sierra Leone, they na all. Look now, now the youth and they all. They don't pass 60, but the power they all. Yeah, let we left give them the talking. We told them promise, na banya fakey. 2023 they ring down. Let we get the savior, we go bring peace now. Cause we tell you we the funny thing. Politicians nowadays no get better.
They get a funny thing, they get a funny thing, they know they see. Like they can pray for the thing. This the question, where the Sierra Leone people them way really I don't know. The way we come to the move, believe it, I'm too slow. The big one another. Why we can't be slow? Sierra Leone, where we heading to? I say, but we can't be slow. Sierra Leone, we say we all they go. We the feel pain number. We the feel pain number. We the feel pain number.
Where we going to? That's the question I'm asking too.
I know say the brand heavy lock on begin the flow. MRC Tomumu, Minister of Energy can just say, we no okay to, let me not shake for tell you. The Southeast, dark leg graveyard, where the past government be the give light free. Now only they take for campaigns and the donor for the COVID-19. We not see that yet so.
To say the truth, make the youth they know this gun tool. Why we fighting each other? Police and soldier they are killing others. Sierra Leone where we going to? Now so full with the sea. Sierra Leone where we going to? Economy no the guys target line no more. Sierra Leone where we going to?
We don't know. It's the question where they ask the young people them way really I don't know. The way we come to them